Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file. Pretty good 3D text, but if I understand them right, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to bring in a yellow box so we can see this in a second. I've already done it. If I understand the question right, no matter what size, I'm going to put this at the back of the page. No matter what size they make this line, when they bring this back, it's not the right thickness. So if we bring in, you can tell I've got the white line selected down here. I'm going to hit F12, bring up the line tool. They made it 50 points. It doesn't look, they said it doesn't really look any different if it's 25 points, it looks the same. Well, the problem is that line is on another layer. So we'll move that line down and we'll make it, it is a text right now. So we need to go to F12 and let's make it, well, 50 isn't even an option. So, but we'll type in 50 and then put it back. But you can see it's going to look the same when we put the other text on top of it. And the reason for that is this. Let's select the line again. And we got the line selected. Let's hit F12. No, we don't even have to do that. Go to Object, Order, Front of Page. Now watch this. Now the line is thicker because the line is on the front of the other text and not really behind it. If we can kind of demonstrate that, maybe if I can grab that letter. See what I mean? Now the gold is kind of partially covered up by our line. I don't know that I can select that line. Yeah, I did. So now let's go to Object, Order. Now I might put it too far down the page and see now it's completely gone because it's putting it down the page. But that's the problem. So if we just take these two and you can see it. Now if we take the line now and go, I've got the line selected, go to Object, Order, back a page. Well, same thing. It's let's put this red on the very back of the page. And there's a way, I never really get to do this. There's a way to do that by page up and page down. But see how thin the line is now? But if we take the line, well, now we got the fountain. But let's just go ahead and put it up there and take our text and order front of page. And now look at our text, how much bigger the line is. And if I was going to critique this, it's beautiful. They did a good job. I would maybe change, like it's kind of, well, maybe that's on purpose. It's a shadow. But I would have maybe taken out some of this dark blue because it's all solid. And I wonder if we could do that. Yeah, it'd take a little bit of work, but you could do that. But see, whoever did this has interactive fill tool on this, on the red part, and on the green and blue, and on the red. I mean, the orange and the yellow looking. But, and this is kind of just setting there. You could also do that, a couple of different things of that. But if you were they're not going to print 3D text on a shirt. They're just practicing. Anyway, hope that solved their problem, and thank you for watching.